3 things you should do in the morning as soon as you wake up to move your manifestation in the right direction. Hello my powerful creators, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candice if you're new here. On this channel we talk about manifestation, law of attraction, and personal development. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 3 things you should do in the morning, your morning routine when it comes to the law of attraction. If you are new to this channel, I want you to become a powerful creator by hitting that subscribe button and joining the powerful creator community here on this channel. Okay, let's get into this video. So the first thing you have to do in the morning is list the things you are grateful for. List out 3 to 5 things you are grateful for. They can be small to big things. I like to say, thank you God for waking me up this morning. And it just feels good to just start there, and then I go through it and I'm like, thank you God that I can see, I can walk, I can do my activities today. Thank you God I have a great meeting I have to go to in the morning. This morning, you know, you list them out. You can go big, you can go small, but the key is to be grateful, because we know that gratitude brings abundance in our life. So if we can be grateful for the small things, the universe is equipping us, and we are letting the universe know that we are ready for the big things in our life to come. And while you are doing the gratitude list, make sure you are saying thank you and why you are thankful for this thing. Thank you God for the food on my table, because if I didn't have food, I wouldn't be able to be healthy and strong and be equipped to do what I want to do in life. It's all about that because that really gets you in that feeling mode. And we've talked about this. The feeling mode gets you in the realm of your manifestation coming into your reality. So make sure you find time in the morning to be grateful. List out those 3 to 5 things or more and get yourself in the gratitude mode. The second thing you are going to do in the morning is do your affirmations. If you don't know already, I post daily affirmations on my Instagram at Candice Nikeia, and we talk about affirmations every single day. We affirm positivity into our lives, knowing that we need that food, we need that spiritual food in our lives, and it's a great way to start your day. To affirm, to affirm, to affirm. I love it. So if you are going to affirm abundance in your life, you say it in the morning, I am so abundant. Abundance is all around me. We shouldn't be complaining throughout the day that we have a lot of emails or we have a lot of things to do. We asked and we were grateful in the morning for abundance. So abundance is a lot of emails, a lot of calls, a lot of work to do. That is abundance. So be grateful and speak things into your life, but be aware when you start complaining about what you affirmed in your life. Do your affirmations every single morning. Whatever you desire, affirm that in your life. Even if it's something you don't have already, affirm it as if you already have it. That's truly, truly powerful. And the third thing you are going to do, you are going to manifest your day. I like to write my day down. I declare my day to be good. I will be happy today. I will get my work done. And make sure you say, I intend to be grateful today. I intend to find abundance in all areas of my life today. I intend to be nice to people. I intend to find the good in other people. Say that, write it down, say it out loud. What I like to do, I look at myself in the mirror in the morning. I like to list out the things I'm grateful for. I like to say my affirmations with strength and to declare it over my life. And then I like to manifest my life, my day that morning, declaring that good things are going to happen to me because things are always working out for me. And you know what, powerful creators? Things are always working out for you. It's time for you to believe that. So I hope you find this video as an encouragement for you every single morning to be grateful, to do your affirmations, and to manifest things as if they already are here in your life. I know you will be feeling so, so good every single morning if you start your day like this. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you feel very motivated and encouraged to start your mornings with some positivity. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations. If you need some inspiration on affirmations, I got you. Just follow me there and I'll give you an affirmation every single day in the morning to start your day. If you want to be a part of the Powerful Creators community, hit that subscribe button and join the family. And don't miss out on any other videos by hitting that bell notification button so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. Hit that like button as well because that really helps the channel and helps me know what you guys want to see and what you want to see more of. Powerful Creators, I love when you comment below something that you want to see in the future, what you want to talk about, or any ideas you have, what connected you to this video, what resonated with you, what I said, what I didn't say. Let me know in the comments. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, I know you'll like my next video on the law of attraction, momentum moving at night, the things you should do at night before you go to bed. Go to that video right now and I'll see you in that video. I love you, Powerful Creators, and I will talk to you in my next video. Have a beautiful day.